Hello everyone, this is my grandson Harry. He wanted to do a video on his G-Shock, so I'm going to hand over to him and he can tell you all about it.
Hello, I'm Harry. This is my Casio G-Shock 5610. It weighs 49 grams, it has a rubber strap, stopwatch and a timer. It's solar powered, it has an alarm and it's waterproof, 20 bar, aka 200 meters. Signed buckle, it has a wide strap. It's unbreakable for me because I fell off my bike a few times with this on and it doesn't have any scratches on it. And it's really new to me, to be honest, because I haven't seen anything like this watch.
I got this for Harry because I use one for work and I haven't managed to break it, and as kids are, it's not going to get damaged. It's a good quality watch. He can go swimming with it, do everything he wants. And I think I had a Casio when I was a kid, so.
And to be honest, I really like it because whenever I go on my bike, I barely fall off it, but when I do, I'm always wearing this. But it only has like a little tiny scratch there, but that's from falling off it last time. I fell off it about 10 times with this watch and it hasn't even made a scratch apart from this one. And I like it because if you press that button there, it like switches modes, and also on that one it switches modes. But I think that's
updates the time as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, updates the time. That's like different countries. That's the time in I don't know where.
It automatically sets the correct time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it can't ever be wrong. So you've got no excuse to be late.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything you want to add?
No, I think that's about it.
Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed it. Harry wanted to do the video. There's loads of videos of this watch online, but I think it's an ideal watch for somebody his age. So yeah, hope you enjoy it and I'll speak to you later. So see you later.
See you later.